So I'm going to show you guys how to actually do a real salt bath. Grab your lemons, squeeze the lemons in. If you used them already, just throw them in anyways for a full body detox. Done. In. Salt. In. Little olive oil from April Mantis from Greece, imported in. Okay, then I invented this sound chamber system. Okay, so I will be sharing this link for you guys, but I have done a lot of research on tuning the body right to heal it. Which one are we gonna do? Well, all right, hold on. I gotta import a JSON. I got all these custom. All right, we're gonna recalibrate. I got Dad's Detox here, Smoker's Choice. Let's recalibrate. Hold up. Give me a second here as I figure this fucking shit out. Go to waves. Wave.RumiDesign.tech. Okay. Here you will find a screen. You can make your own. I've just got a bunch of presets in. We're gonna do this for... Wait, it's going on all at once. Hold on. This is a prototype, by the way, so bear with me. We want this on sequence. Alright, so that's the countdown. If you notice on all my shit, I had some hidden stuff in it. You're not gonna notice it. Alright, so we're gonna basically electrify the sound of the water in my body, okay? And there's a bunch of other stuff going on here. But ideally you want it to be a dark room. You want the vibration is gonna match the color for your eyes. So the light vibration and the wave vibration. And it'll recharge your body. Also do some cool things with drinking water too. So get in the bath and have fun. Put it on blast. Just put it on blast.